Hello and welcome to the British Accent Podcast. I am your host, and today I want to talk about my day, my daily life. This is a calm and slow episode, so you can relax and listen. It is good practice for your English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Every day, I wake up at 7 o'clock. The sun comes into my room. I open my eyes. I feel sleepy. I stretch my arms. It feels good. I get out of bed. The floor is a little cold. I put on my slippers. They are warm and soft. I walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cool water. It helps me wake up. Then I brush my teeth. I look in the mirror and I smile. It is a new day. After the bathroom, I go to the kitchen. I am hungry. I want to eat breakfast. Breakfast is my favorite meal. I open the fridge. I see milk, eggs, and fruit. What should I eat today? I decide to have toast and tea. I put bread in the toaster. While I wait, I make a cup of tea. I love the smell of tea in the morning. I put hot water in my mug. I add a tea bag and a little milk. The toast is ready. Poppet jumps up. I put some butter and jam on my toast. It looks delicious. I sit at my table. I eat my breakfast slowly. I drink my tea. I look out the window. The birds are singing. It is very peaceful. After breakfast, it is time to work. I sit at my desk. My computer is here. I also have my notebook and a pen. I turn on my computer. I check my emails. I have a few messages to read. I reply to them. My work is interesting. Sometimes I write, sometimes I read. Today, I am making this podcast for you. I think about what to say. I write down some ideas. I want to use simple words. I want to speak clearly. This helps you learn English. I enjoy my work. It makes me happy to help people. Around 11 o'clock, I take a short break. It is important to rest. I stand up and walk around. I do some simple exercises. I stretch my back and my neck. I look out the window again. The sky is blue. I drink a glass of water. I feel refreshed. After my break, I go back to my desk. I work for 1 more hour. Time goes by quickly when I am busy. At 1 o'clock, it is time for lunch. I feel hungry again. I go back to the kitchen. For lunch, I like to have something light. Today, I make a sandwich. I use brown bread. I add cheese and some salad. It is a simple lunch, but it is healthy and tasty. I eat my sandwich at the kitchen table. Sometimes, while I eat lunch, I listen to some music. It is very relaxing. Music makes me feel happy. In the afternoon, I continue my work. Or sometimes, I study. I like to learn new things. Learning is a journey. It is like when you learn English. Some days are easy. Some days are a little difficult. But every day you learn something new. That is a wonderful thing. I try to stay focused. I work for a few more hours. I feel proud when I finish my tasks for the day. Around 5 o'clock, I finish my work. I close my computer. The work day is over. Now it is my free time. I like to go for a walk in the evening. I put on my shoes and my jacket. I go to the local park. The park is beautiful. There are many trees and flowers. I walk slowly. I breathe the fresh air. I see other people walking. Some people are with their dogs. The dogs are happy. They run and play. Walking helps me to relax my mind. It is a good way to end the workday. When I get home, it is time to think about dinner. I enjoy cooking. It is creative. I look in my fridge again. What can I make for dinner? Tonight, I decide to cook some pasta. I boil water in a big pot. I add the pasta. While the pasta cooks, I make a simple tomato sauce. I chop some onions and garlic. I cook them in a pan with some olive oil. Then I add chopped tomatoes. The kitchen smells wonderful. When the pasta is ready, I mix it with the sauce. I put it on a plate. I add some cheese on top. Dinner is ready. I sit down and enjoy my meal. It is warm and comforting. After dinner, I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I like to have a clean kitchen before I go to bed. Then it is time to relax. In the evening, I like to read a book. I have a comfortable chair in my living room. I sit there with my book and a warm drink. Maybe another cup of tea, but this time a herbal tea. Reading is a great way to unwind. I travel to different worlds through stories. It is magical. Sometimes, instead of reading, I watch a film or a TV show. I like comedies. They make me laugh. Laughing is good for you. As it gets later, I start to feel tired. It is around 10 o'clock. This is my bedtime. I go to the bathroom again. I brush my teeth. I change into my pajamas. They are soft and comfortable. I get into bed. The bed is warm. I turn off the light. The room is dark and quiet. I close my eyes. I think about my day. It was a good day. I feel calm and ready to sleep. I take a deep breath, in and out. I fall asleep quickly. I dream, and then a new day begins. That is a typical day for me. It is a simple life, but it is a happy life. Every day has small, happy moments. A good cup of tea, a nice walk, a good book. What about you? What is your day like? You can think about it in English. It is good practice. Thank you for listening to this episode of the British Accent Podcast. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful for your English learning. Keep practicing and don't give up. You are doing great. Until next time, take care and goodbye.